Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
I can't hear you and it says it's been recording. So قبل كده and I can't hear anyone. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna disconnect.
Okay. Can you hear me now, Huda?
Oh yes, now I can.
All right. But you are lagging. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to take the attendance. Abdullah is getting in. Adam. Adam.
Miss, did you call my name?
I know that you're getting in, Abdullah, so you're here. Adam. Adam.
Yes, miss.
Ahmed Amr.
Yes, miss.
Ahmed Sharif.
Yes, miss.
Iyad. Farida. Your mic is not working, Farida, but okay, you're here. Hamza.
Yes.
Huda, she's here. Jumana.
Yes, I'm here.
Karma. No. Laura. Laura, you're here, right? Laura Walid. All right, Layla. She's not here. Muhammad Izzat.
You call me?
Yes, I did. Okay. Muhammad Izzat, he's not here. Maryam. Maryam. Okay. Omar Gamal. I cannot find him. Ruqayya. He's not here yet. Ziad Tamer. He's here.
Yes.
Ziad Hussein is not here. Zain. Zain, are you going to send to me in the chat? All right. And Mona. Mona's not here. Okay. What? Yes.
Yes, I can't hear you.
You
Miss.
cannot hear me?
Miss,
Okay.
I can't hear you.
All right.
Miss. Miss. Okay.
Okay. Ahmed Sharif. Yes, you want to say something?
بقول أخيرا مايك زاد اتصلح.
Ziad, who's Ziad? Ziad who? Ziad Tamer? All right. Okay, how was the quiz yesterday? Did you see your marks?
Yes.
I got 18 out
Yes.
of 21.
I think I did.
Miss, I got 21 out of 21.
You got 20 out of 20 and you got the bonus mark, Abdullah. Yes, this is very good.
Miss, I got 20 out of 21.
Yes, I got
Yes,
19 out of. I got 19 out of 21 plus the bonus, I think.
guys, the exam is out of 20. Okay, the quiz is out of 20, but there is one bonus mark, and this is why it looks like it's out of 21. Okay, so all of you got the bonus mark. All of you got the bonus mark. You have to see. Okay, Huda.
Wait, no, Miss, I didn't say Mama. That was Adam. And تاني حاجة I got.
مش بتقول ان الامتحان اصلا 20.
Guys,
I got 19 out of 20.
You got 19 out of 20. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Anyway,
I got 18 out of 20 بس plus البونus, so it's 19 now.
yeah, exactly. Okay, Zain, I can see that you're writing good afternoon everywhere. Huda, can you hear me well now? Huda? All right, guys. Anyway, so the quiz is out of 20, but you have a bonus mark. So this is why it looks like it's out of 21. So you have to, all of you got the bonus mark. So you have to see where the mistake is. Most probably I will revise the quizzes with you by the beginning of first week. Okay, in the revision week, I'm going to go through the previous quizzes, which is quiz 1 and quiz 2 with you, so that you know where are your mistakes. Ahmed Amr, one of your mistakes, you already did the same mistake during the session. One of the mistakes that I found that you did is a mistake that you already did during the session. And I corrected it for you, and I was disappointed to find that you made the same mistake again. So you have to listen, okay? You have to listen and you have to focus. Ziad Hussein, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay. And Zain is here. All right. Now I'm going to start where we stopped yesterday in the respiratory system. There was a homework, of course, so we're going to correct the homework together. So I want you to open your resource packs, page. The homework was page 44, first 42, B and C, 44 and 46. So let's start with page 42, B and C. Okay, B and C. I'm going to just open the resource pack first. Can you all hear me, guys? Because you're not interacting at all. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I'm just opening the resource pack. Did you find any difficulty in doing the homework, guys? Was it hard at all? The people who did, of course, the homework. Did you find the homework hard?
Yes, there is a question that I
It
didn't
was so
know.
easy.
It was so easy. Okay.
There is a question you missed that I didn't know. Question
Okay.
B in page 46.
All right. Adam, are you there?
Yes, miss.
Yes. I said the quiz is out of 20, huh? It's not the exam, not the last year exam.
Yes, I heard. I heard.
Okay. All right. Okay, Laura. Perfect. And Farida and Laura said that there were it was easy. Okay. Okay, we're going to do it together, and if you find any difficulty, Ziad, we're going to solve it together. You did not find an online assignment to submit? All of you had the same problem, guys?
No.
There
I
was an
submitted
online
it.
assignment, Farida, to submit. There was an online assignment. Let's see. Okay, so we're opening the Classera to see if there is an online assignment. You remembered it from class. I don't know what happened. Okay, it's written on Moodle and it's written on Classera, and I made an assignment on Classera. So it's written everywhere. Okay, you have to check again, please, Farida, because apparently the problem is with your computer or your Classera, I don't know, because apparently everyone else found the assignment, right, guys? The rest of you, did you find the assignment?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to open your year 6 and okay, try again. Takes quite some time. Okay, here you go. And let's check your assignment. Here is your assignment. Okay. Here you are, Farida. This is your assignment. And apparently a lot of people have submitted the homework. Let's see who submitted the homework. Yeah, Abdullah, Adam, Ahmed Amr, Ahmed Sharif, Hamza, Jumana, Karma, Lara, Mona, Ruqayya, Ziad Hussein, Ziad Tamer. All of those have submitted their homework. So you have to check again, okay? Now let's do the homework together because we wasted a lot of time. Okay, so this is page 42. We want to answer questions B and C. What do we call this gas exchange system? I think it's very easy. Who wants to answer it? Who wants to answer it? What is the name of the gas exchange system that we learned
Miss, can I
about?
do it?
I know.
Why aren't you raising your hand? Yeah. Yes, Ahmed.
The respiratory system.
What do we call this gas exchange system? The respiratory system. Yes. Respiratory system. Very easy. And Ahmed, do the second one too. Name the muscles that lie between the ribs, which aid in breathing, not under the ribs, between the ribs. They're called what?
Lungs.
What?
Lungs.
The muscles that lie in between the ribs. We were talking about them yesterday, Ahmed. The muscles that are found in between the rib bones. Yes, Laura.
Intercostal.
Yes, intercostal muscles, internal and external intercostal muscles. Internal and external intercostal muscles. All right. Okay, guys. Now page 44. Page 44. In page 44, the first part is very easy. Question number 3. You have a word bank and you have to complete the statement or the paragraph. Abdullah, would you do this?
Yes, miss, I can do
Okay.
it.
All right. Come on. So we need.
We need to take in oxygen from the air.
Yes, oxygen from the air. Yes.
To stay alive, we also need to get rid of carbon dioxide.
Yes, carbon dioxide. Okay. From our bodies. This overall process is called?
Gas exchange.
Very good. Gas exchange. The gas we take in enters our
blood.
Blood. Very good. Okay.
And energy.
And is used with sugar in the cells to release energy. Very good. Excellent. Thank you, Abdul. Thank you, Abdul. Okay, I'm just admitting Karma and Mona. Okay. The next question, question number 4, is similar to the table that we did yesterday. Jomana, would you like to answer it?
Miss, I didn't understand it.
They want you to tick whether
Miss,
this, give me 1 second,
I
guys.
also didn't understand it.
Okay, now they are giving you here a statement. External intercostal muscles relax in inspiration or in expiration. So you have to tick where does this happen or when does that happen. Do you understand now?
No.
No. Okay. So when does the intercostal muscle relax? When you inhale or when you exhale?
Exhale.
Exhale. So you just write tick in exhale or expiration. Exhale is expiration. Inhale is inspiration. All right.
I understand now.
Okay. Hoda, do you understand, Hoda?
Kind of.
Okay, I do the second one. Do the second one. The ribs move up when you inhale or when you exhale? Hey, Hoda. Ribs move up when you inhale or when you exhale?
Miss, you were lagging so hard, so I'm just gonna read it. Ribs move up, inspiration or expiration. Inspiration.
Yes, when you inhale, the ribs move up. Very good. Okay. The diaphragm muscles. Jomana, continue, Jomana. Diaphragm muscles contract when you inhale or when you exhale?
Inhale.
Inhale. Very good. Continue. Chest volume decreases when you inhale or when you exhale?
Exhale.
Exhale. Very good. Ribs move down when you inhale or exhale?
Exhale.
Exhale. Air moves out when you inhale or exhale? Exhale. Air moves in.
Inhale.
When you inhale. Diaphragm muscles relax when you inhale or exhale?
Exhale.
Exhale. Chest volume increases when you inhale or exhale?
Inhale.
Inhale. And the last one, external intercostal muscles contract when you inhale or exhale?
Inhale.
Inhale. Do you get it now?
Yes, Miss, but in the homework I didn't know how to do it, so I didn't do it.
Okay, it's fine. All right. Now we're going, the rest of the class, do you understand the question, this question now? The rest of the class.
Yes.
All right. Let's move to page 46. Page 46. Okay, question number 7. The diagram shows the human respiratory system. Name parts A and B. Okay. Zain, since you are here on the chat, I want you to name parts A and B. Write A is what and B is what, please, in the chat. And I will answer for you. A is the trachea. Yes, correct. And B? B is the lungs. Yes, B is the lungs. B is the lungs, Zain. Abdullah, yeah, Abdullah made it, okay? So A is the trachea and B is the lung, one of the lungs, all right? The next one, gas exchange takes place in the alveoli. Complete the following sentence to describe this exchange of gases. Hamza.
Miss, I didn't do this question because I don't understand.
Okay. Hamza, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to complete the following sentence to describe this exchange of gases. What passes?
Oxygen.
Oxygen passes through the walls of the alveoli. Excellent. Oxygen passes through the walls of the alveoli from air into the
Blood.
lungs, because the alveoli is at the end of the lungs. Very good. Whilst what
Carbon
passes?
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide moves in the opposite direction. Thank you so much, Hamza. Ziad, is it still unclear?
Yes, I want to know what does the alveoli يعني I want to know what does the alveoli does.
That was the whole session of yesterday, Ziad. Did you watch it?
I was in it.
And you did not understand?
Yes.
You did not understand what the alveoli does?
Yes.
Okay, would you please rewatch yesterday's session, and then if you still don't understand, come to me tomorrow?
Okay.
All right. And there are also 2 videos that I uploaded. I think some of you, maybe Ahmed Sharif and Ruqayya, I think, are the ones who watched it. Extra videos of the gas exchange and how the intercostal muscles work. Ahmed Sharif, you watched it, right?
Yes, Miss, I watched.
Yes, were they helpful?
Yes.
Okay, so Ziad, you have to watch those 2. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now we're going to continue, guys, with the respiratory system. I will just go to the part where we are going to talk about the bad effects of smoking on the respiratory system. So now some people are addicted to smoking. And yes, when I say addicted, it is the right term, because they have a very strong feeling that they have to smoke all the time, and it's very hard on them to quit smoking. So it is a kind or a type of addiction that some people cannot get rid of, but they have to, because this destroys the respiratory system totally. So when people smoke, they damage the respiratory system and risk seriously damaging their health. There are thousands of different chemicals in cigarette smoke, and of course the highly addictive nicotine. So this is the chemical inside the cigarettes and the smoking habit that makes it very addictive, the nicotine. Yes, Ahmed?
Miss, why did they make cigarettes if it's addictive and bad for your health?
Yes, yeah, Miss, I was about to ask the same question.
Because in the old days, they did not consider it bad for your health. As a matter of fact, they discovered, or they admitted that it is bad for your health like maybe 50 or 60 years ago. Before this, they considered it as something that you do, like drinking water and eating food, and some people actually consider it good for your health. And this actually makes a little sense, because nicotine, before they discovered it was addictive, it was actually considered one of the drugs or one of the medicines that make you more focused, and that increases the concentration. It does. I will not deny this. Nicotine, only nicotine, not the other things that is in the cigarettes, does this. It makes you more focused and it makes you more concentrated. But the problem is that it is addictive. At some point, your brain will get used to nicotine and will not be able to perform without your daily dose. Okay? but it's not as bad as the other drugs like morphine and heroin and the stuff that really damages your whole body. It is the least bad. Okay, the nicotine, I'm talking about the nicotine. All right. Now, the problem is that they also add other things to the cigarettes that destroy the whole respiratory system, like what? Like tar and like some insecticides, some sort of insecticides. It also produces very toxic gases, which harms your skin and harms your, of course, lungs and your heart. So they discovered by time that those or smoking cigarette will do even further damage than its benefits. The benefits is that yes, it has nicotine, which makes you more focused, but the damages is that it will cause you heart diseases, it will cause you lung diseases because of the bad smoke and the bad
Yes, but
effects
how
inside
are
it.
all of these things in this?
Of course, they put it in a minute amount. They don't put like the whole jar of paint, for example, in the cigarette. Okay.
So all of these are really inside?
Yes, all of these are really inside, and they did not know that all of this is bad for your health until recently in the like late 1960s. So they are now making it because they cannot say that it's not legal because it's not as bad as the other drugs. But on the other hand, they the Ministry of Health all over the world and the World Health Organization made a commit or made the cigarette companies put, you know, those warnings on the packs that shows you that you are going to age really fast if you smoke, then it contains pesticides inside it and stuff like that. Do you see those pictures on the cigarette packs?
So they make it.
Yes.
Yes, so this is the Ministry of Health and the World Health Organization made the cigarette companies make this because they were not able to make it illegal. Hopefully in the future it becomes illegal. Anyway, let's continue. So it is bad for your health, of course, and it damages the air lining of your system. Now, before I go furthermore, I just have to tell you a hint about what is the lining of your whole respiratory system. Your whole respiratory system share a lining. It's like a carpet that covers your whole respiratory system. What is that carpet made of? First of all, let's start with the nose. Okay, the nose is lined with specific with a specific type of mucus, which makes the air that you breathe moist and traps any bacteria that you breathe in with the air. Okay, it's very important that there is the air that you are breathing has a specific temperature, and this temperature should be good or should be suitable for the rest of your respiratory system. Because if you breathe very hot air or very cold air, your respiratory system will not be able to manage or understand the type of air that is coming into your body. So this is why the mucus in your body like equalizes or balances the temperature that your nose is breathing. Okay. This is number one. The second job of your mucus is to trap any bacteria that comes in with the air that you are breathing. They like capture any bacteria that comes into your nose while you're breathing. All right. You also have hair in your nose. Of course, you have noticed this. This hair is not there just to bother you or to look bad in your nose. It's actually there to trap all the dust particles that also comes in with the air that you are breathing. All right, guys, is it clear now, the lining of the nose and its function? Huh? Hello?
Yes.
All right. Now, starting from the trachea, starting from the windpipe or the trachea, also you have another type of lining that covers this organ, which is what? Which is mucus also, and something called cilia. Cilia is a type of like very small hair that its job is to prevent any strange object to get into your trachea. This is why while you're drinking, sometimes what happens, you feel like the water entered your respiratory system or your airway. So you start to cough really hard to get this water out of your system. Have you experienced this before? Of course you did. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, miss. Yeah, miss.
Yes. And
Yes,
some,
yes, yes.
and some other times while you're eating, it also happens. This is because sometimes while you're eating, you're supposed to be eating or drinking, and this food or drink is getting into your digestive system. There is a very fine wall between the two systems, especially in this area, in your neck area, okay? The trachea and the esophagus. So sometimes food and water gets confused, or sometimes you make a wrong movement while you're drinking, and some of this food or water gets into your airway. The cilia, which is the cover of your windpipe or trachea, its job is to push back anything except air. The only thing that should come into your windpipe or trachea is air. So whenever there is a strange object, the cilia keeps repelling it out of your trachea or windpipe, because this is not supposed to be here. All right? So the cilia is another lining that is very important and is very effective in your respiratory system. And as I said, trachea is also covered with mucus, which makes the air you're getting in has this specific temperature that I'm talking about, and it also to capture any bacteria that got or got away from the nose. All right, this is the trachea. Now, what about the bronchi and the bronchioles? Guess what? You also have cilia in your bronchi and bronchioles, which covers the whole thing, the whole bronchi and bronchioles, and it does the same. It is also there to make sure that nothing else except air get into your bronchi and bronchioles. All right. So the cilia and the mucus is the main part or the main lining in your respiratory system. Your whole system is covered with cells that have cilia on their top. Cilia, if you, I will show it to you. Look, this is cilia. Those are the cells, okay? Those are the cells, and we call them ciliated cells because they have cilia on their top. It's like they have hair on their head. It's like they have hair on their head. This hair is the cilia, which is supposed to be there to trap any dust or any bacteria that gets inside your respiratory system. And you have another type of cells that produces mucus. So your whole respiratory system is covered with ciliated cells, which are cells that have cilia, and mucus producing cells, the cells that is responsible of producing mucus. Okay, your whole respiratory system is covered with those two types of cells. All right, guys, is it clear? Do you understand the idea that the whole?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So why did I say this? I said that because this is what smoking harm in your respiratory system. It goes directly to the ciliated cells and the mucus producing cells, and they just damage it. the smoking just go and damage the main lining that protects your whole respiratory system. Okay, so what does it do? The cilia stop working from smoking. The smoking comes, and the smoke, which has very bad chemicals, destroy the ciliated cells, so the cilia is not working anymore. So your respiratory system is not protected anymore, and anything can get into your lungs. The cilia will not be able to repel it out of your system. Okay. The second thing is that it makes the cells that produce mucus produce even more mucus. A small amount of mucus is acceptable. A large amount of mucus will make you not be able to breathe, because this way it's going to block all of your airways. Do you get the idea, guys? Is it clear now for you? Do you understand? Hello? Anyone? No one is. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to end the session now, and we're going to talk about this again tomorrow. We have 2 sessions tomorrow. We are supposed to be finishing this and the circulatory system. It's very easy. The circulatory system will not take much time from us. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Bye.